Hello everybody, my name is Mus'ab Abdurazaq Zaid, and this is my final project of cs50 Python course, and my username in GitHub is Mus'ab Abdurazaq, and my username in edx is Mus'ab-33, and I am from Kurdistan region in Iraq. And I live in Erbil, and this is a project is a simple project, Python based students management system. So the title is students management system. Okay, students management system that allowed user to add and update, delete and search for students records stored in a cs50 file. Okay, the system allows user to manage students names, scores and grade. The grade for each student is automatically calculated based on their score. Okay, so the following feature are included in this system. So as you see, this is a score. For example, 90 is A, 80 is B, 70 is C, and let me run. You can understand more. Okay, so let me run. So as you see, this is the system. Add students, display the students, search for students. You can do everything, update student score, delete students. For example, if I add Ali, okay, in vultures, okay, I should add, for example, number 1 and Ali. Okay, because number 1 is add students. Okay, so Ali, for example, he get 80. Okay, students Ali with grade B added successfully, so 80 is grade B. Okay, so that's all about my project. Thank you very much.